Here we go. It's the car wash. Check it out. Woo! We're giving the car a bath. What do you think about that?
Should we roll the windows down? Give Leia a bath?
Do you want to get out there and get a bath?
No.
No? Isn't this fun?
Look at Blueberry. She's getting soaped.
Lots of soap. We're giving Blueberry a bath.
No.
Oh, it's okay. We're a little soaped in here. Okay. Look at all the pretty colors.
Oh, do you want to hold my hand?
Look at the pretty colors. It's purple. Oh.
It's okay.
Leia, look. Look what's about to happen. Great idea. Look. Oh, God. Great. It's almost done. Okay, it's almost over. They're just drying the car now. We're just drying the car. There we go. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay.
You need a hug? Would you like a sip of water? No. What's wrong? You okay?
Put the windows down? There we go. See, it's okay. Look at the car's wet now. We just gave the car a bath.